There's something in the red I'm seeing that keeps me satisfied. You've got it in my head, stars have got it in my eyes. And somehow in the dark you found me, you brought me to the light. And it feels like love, it feels like love. And it won't be enough, but it feels like you might be the death of me. It's not like me to fall, it's really not my style. It's not like me to be so foolish, I haven't in a while. Was it something that you did? Is it something in my mind? I don't know what